All-day hydration, provides 48-hour moisturization and helps restore the protective skin barrier with 3 essential ceramides, 1, 3, 6-II. Moisture-retaining ingredients, formulated with urea, which helps attract and retain moisture. Source of antioxidants, formulated with bilberry for antioxidant benefits. Gentle on skin, free of fragrance and parabens. Developed with dermatologists, CeraVe Diabetics Dry Skin Relief Cleansing Wash gently cleanses and helps soothe diabetics' dry skin in just one wash. This formula, with bilberry and urea, helps attract and retain moisture for all-day hydration. Also formulated with 3 essential ceramides to help maintain your skin's natural protective barrier. Top reviews from the United States. This works. I am a diabetic with dry skin and have tried many moisturizing products to bathe in. This one really works. My skin was smooth after the first use and continues to keep working. I also have a special needs son that has skin issues most of his life. I tried it on him, and he doesn't itch near as much and his skin is clear.